Ooty, the Blue Mountains. The beautiful little hill station of Ooty is located in the Nilgiri Hills, at the crossroads of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. The town attracts tourists from all over the country and abroad. It has lush green forests and is filled with a variety of flora and fauna. Best time to visit Ooty? The months May to August are the best times to visit Ooty. Also, during the months September to November, the weather is comfortable. However, the winters here are very cold. So if you're planning to spend a winter vacation here, then better pack your woolen clothes.
Want to go on a trip? Friends are busy? Need a travel companion? Don't worry, now you can connect with travelers traveling to the same destination on Exceeders.com. All you need to do is join your city club and publish your trip plan with travel dates and place you are planning to visit. That's it. Verified tourists, travelers, and backpackers looking for travel partners to the same destination will contact you.
How to get to Ooty? Air. Coimbatore Airport is the closest to Ooty. You can catch flights to major cities in India from here. Train. The Ooty railway station is connected to the major cities of Tamil Nadu. Also, it lies on the major New Delhi-Coimbatore railway line and is linked to New Delhi, Bangalore, Kochi, Mysore, etc. Road. You can travel to Ooty by road from Madurai, which is 290 kilometers, Bangalore, which is 270 kilometers, and Kochi, which is 270 kilometers, and so on. You can travel by your own vehicle or hire a car or take a private or a state bus. Ooty transportation. You can commute within the town by auto rickshaw or walk or hire a car or a bicycle or bike. Must try signature dishes of Ooty. Ooty is famous for its baked goodies like bread, cookies, cakes, tarts, buns, brownies, pies, etc. Also, its fruit and nut chocolate is well known. The food here comprises of a variety of cuisines. A few of the dishes that you should definitely try are mulga podi, chicken and fish, coconut chutney, mutton, idli, dosa, etc. Best places to eat at in Ooty? Hotel King's Cliff, Earl's Court at Gem Park, Shinkao's Chinese Restaurant, opposite State Bank of India, Domino's Pizza at Commercial Street Market, Nahar Restaurant located in the intersection of Charing Cross Main, Sea Store located at the heart of the town, Nahar Sidewalk Cafe located at Commercial, and Qualities Restaurants, Kunur and Ooty located at Bedford. Top tourist sites in Ooty. Botanical Gardens. These gardens are major tourist attractions in Ooty. They cover an area of about 50 acres over the slopes of the Dodda Betta Hill, Dodda Betta Peak. It is the highest peak in the hills of the Nilgiris, sitting at an altitude of about 2,600 meters. It is located at the point of the Western and Eastern Ghats. It is a must-visit site for anyone traveling here. Government Museum. The museum was set up in 1989 and it houses a variety of tribal objects and artifacts. The place sees a lot of visitors all year round. Kamraj Sagar Lake. This lake is actually a dam and is located on the outskirts of Ooty. The place is covered in greenery and you will find it to be a perfect picnic spot. You can also fish here. Kandal Cross. This Roman Catholic church is believed to make the wishes of its people come true. It is said to have cured people of their illnesses. Lamb's Rock. You can get a beautiful view of the lush green tea estates below. It is named after Captain Lamb, who had in the past tried to open a path to this point. Ooty Golf Course. It is located at Old Paikara Road. It sits at an altitude of 7,200 feet. The course was set up in 1891 by Colonel Fane Seville. It expands over an area of 193 acres. Ooty Lake. You can find boat races being held in this lake during the summers. It was built in 1824 by John Sullivan and spreads over an area of 65 acres. Rose Garden. It is located on the slope of Elk Hill. You will find over 2,800 species of roses. It is said to be one of the best gardens in South Asia. St. Stephen's Church. It is the oldest church in the Nilgiri. You will find it near the house of John Sullivan, who is also the founder of Ooty. The church is built with a Gothic style. Tea Factory. Here you can witness how tea is made and learn about the different varieties available. Also, you can learn about the history of tea making.